We were coming from Todos Santos, where we had passed by the famous Hotel California. Those interested in this story can watch our previous video. In it, we also show you San Pedrito Beach, where we met a young Argentinian couple who lived there. They had recommended that we come to this beach, where we are about to show you. It's called Secret Rocks, and you'll soon see why. This is a beach that locals know best because it is very easy to pass by without realizing it's a true hidden gem. We wanted to turn onto one of the dirt roads toward the ocean, but the metal barriers prevented us. To get there, you have to turn a few meters past Rancho El Gaspareno and take the dirt road that leads to the ocean. The road is narrow and there isn't much parking when you get there. Don't be confused like we were, because the entrance to the ranch is private and you can't enter. This is the entrance to the secret spot. We had been advised to sleep on this beach, but parking was only possible at the top of the beach, because to access of the sea, you have to walk down through some rocks. We realized that the nights were quite lively on this beach, since there were many discarded beer bottles, which indicated that staying here wasn't a good idea. We decided to explore the area and spend a good part of the day on this beach, but not sleep there. We were going to have to find a place to sleep. Another important tip if you want to get to this secret spot is to check the tide. If it's high, it would be difficult to access the impressive caves that the sea erosion has carved into these rocks. The sea is not calm and has quite strong waves, so it's necessary to have a low tide. We inform you that in Mexico, beaches are legally considered national property and therefore are for public use. This means that they cannot be privatized and access to them must be guaranteed for all citizens. Although in practice, there may be access restrictions due to tourism developments. And therefore, the law establishes that there must be a minimum public access to these beaches. After this, we went to fill up with diesel or gasoline to the city. We took the same road we had come from, which goes to Cabo San Lucas. The gas station had an enclosed area where we could spend the night with the truck, which was very economical. It also had showers, a washing machine, and a clothes dryer. Our video was short this time, but in the next one, we show you our visit to the tourist destination of Cabo San Lucas, where we took a boat ride to the Finisterre. We will see you in our next stop. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and leave us a like if you like the video. Thanks for watching until the end.